proper equipment. Don't try and attempt learning to do a backflip with boots or Birks, and certainly not your dad's Crocs. Instead, use these awesome black Nike shoes. Perfect. Step 2. Practice on a trampoline. This step is optional, but strongly recommended. So first I'd say practice bouncing on your back and getting over the fear of flipping over so you can afterwards practice on the ground. Then do a hack flip, which is almost like a backflip, but you can see the ground all the time, so it's less scarier and to get over the fear of flipping around without seeing for a short amount of time. So you just like a cartwheel, but a little more flipping backwards. Then you just continuously build up to that backflip and then just practice the tuck and just the height and the spin. Step 3. Practice on soft surface, like mattresses, cushions, or any soft surfaces you can find. So here I have a bouncy mattress. So it's like a trampoline, fine tuning your technique. So just continue until you're ready to go from the ground to a more soft mattress than just the ground. Yeah. Step 4. Get a break. You deserve it. You've worked hard. Go and eat popcorn in your tub and relax. Step 5. You're ready to do a backflip on the ground.